Good evening, everyone. We're Team Anveshi, and we'd like to present our hackathon project. Across communities, the organizations doing the most crucial work, feeding families, providing therapy, supporting housing, mentoring youth, are often running on spreadsheets, paper forms, and Google Forms. Not because they want to, but because they have no choice. Most nonprofits operate on tight budgets, while case management tools are often expensive and inaccessible. So instead, staff are stuck copying and pasting data, re entering the same information multiple times, digging through messy reports to record outcomes to funders. And most importantly, they're losing time that should be used, spent on helping people. But beyond the cost, there's another problem: the tools themselves. Filling out forms is often slow, rigid, and frustrating. When staff are trying to enter information in real time, clients are speaking. It's easy to miss details, make mistakes, or even fall behind. Even small errors can create bigger issues later. So we saw an opportunity there to rethink that entire experience. Our solution is to build a lightweight, open source client and case management system that any nonprofit can deploy. It's designed to feel as simple and flexible as using a spreadsheet, but with the structure, accuracy, and security nonprofits actually need. More importantly, it's built for real conversations, fast, intuitive data entry, easy corrections on the fly, and it's a system that works with staff, not against them, because nonprofits shouldn't have to choose between affordability and effectiveness.
Okay, so this is our landing page. And so we can see the total amount of clients the organization has helped, all the services, so all the individual service entries that the nonprofit has provided, the different programs this profit has, and then the different languages that the client base speaks. And okay, and this is our client dashboard. So you can see all the individual clients and you can search for different things. So for example, this is showing all the people in the food assistance. And if you click on a client, you can see all of their information and you can log a service manually, or you can use our AI notes feature. So you can paste something from a different document, or you can record something and it will save it. And then you can generate a structured note. So this will make sure that everything's formatted the way every other service entry is formatted. And then once you save it, it'll show up in the service and visit history. So now if we go back to clients and click on create a new client, you'll be able to manually enter the information again or use a voice fill option. So you can do that for every feature and save the client and it will show up on the dashboard. Yes, and then you can edit the information for the different clients and okay, skip it. Okay, so then this is our feature that summarizes everything that the nonprofit does. So this is useful for applying for grants or talking to donors. And it just, if you just want a summary just to figure out everything you've been doing, that's great. And then we also separated the users into admin and staff on the very left. So the admin's able to do form configuration. So they can add new fields if they want. And then they can enable or disable features. And then these will show up when you click on clients. So then the staff will only see what is enabled, but the admin can see everything, and then it will also be marked as hidden. So they will always be able to see everything.
Because organizations doing the most important work shouldn't be held back by the worst tools, we're building simple and affordable infrastructure through our design in hopes of focusing on what actually matters, helping people. Thank you. Any questions? Mhm. It's on a client level, so you would have to click on the client or the service to access the summary. Yes, that's right. Right. So you could enter from like a drop down and it'll show up there. Um, not yet, but we plan on doing that.
Thank you. Okay, thanks everybody. It's been a long 2 days. We're gonna take about a 15-minute break and we're gonna break down this wall and then we're gonna bring everybody back. So take a quick break and then come back in.